Cars with Tony. Today we're gonna fix the Honda. All the cars in the car lot. Yeah, so the truck just needs some air. That is fine. It just needs a tire. This needs brakes, and I'm doing it the poor man way. Just buy a rotor and some pads. This bad boy had gremlins. Somebody cut the dang on battery wire. You know I was working on that Acura. So today, we're going to do a little jack leg because we need a box in, but we're going to use pliers. So these tools you need. A jack. I'm using that jack instead of the big jack I got because it won't go under this low riding Honda here. I got the jack stand. You can see this rotor is beat to hell. I got all the tools and hardware I need. Oh, let's see. So I got a router, pads, clips, well, where they at? Breaker bar so I can get the harness off here to get the router off. Got the clips there. I don't even know if these are the right ones. I mean, they look suspect. They look sus. And then I have another hardware. That's the screws I needed. Because at one time I was missing the screws. It looks like I got one, but it must be the other side I needed on. I'm missing a screw on the caliper, which is bad news. It hasn't broke yet. All right, so I had to go get my tool for this. It's a tool you need. It bangs out that screw. Pretty good tool though. And pretty good. I have a torque wrench from them. I beat the hell out of this thing. I'm telling you, it's made to get beat. So, and I don't even have my hammer out here. How about that? I don't know. I'll use some. I gotta get a hammer. I can't just do this. Well, I'm gonna do the calipers first. I mean, not the calipers. I'm not doing anything with calipers. I don't like changing calipers. I don't want to have to bleed it. So that's a lazyism. All right, so I'm gonna just do this. You're supposed to have a box in, like I said, but I'm just gonna put this here and just kind of try to hold it. But you can see, it looks like it's leaking too. Damn, I'm gonna have to change the caliper probably. Well, that's just the oil I put on it. All right, we're gonna try this. Let's see. Using a lot of the wrong tools, but I've done it a couple times. So whatever. She go that way. She go that way. You can jackleg your own shit. Just don't jackleg somebody else's. Is this ripped? Oh, it's just a pain in the ass. I'm gonna cuss a lot, so I might turn the video off or get my socket that I'm supposed to have. Hold on. Let me do some finagling here because I might just need to use the right ratchet. Okay, one second. Okay, so this is the problem. Last time I did it, you know, like I said, whatever, jackleg your own shit if you want. But I didn't tighten the caliper pin, so that makes it loose. Shit don't go right when it's like that. Because it's loose as hell, you know. It's supposed to be tightened in. Whatever. Yeah, see, pins wasn't right. They're not gonna move. So I bought a box of these. On the other side, I was missing some screws. I guess I found them and I put them in because shit, I don't know. I got too many cars and I work 10, 12 hours, so I don't have time to be fucking with them all the time. Pardon my French. Alright, so just basically, you know, figure out what the hell you're doing and do it. Alright, I'm gonna pull this caliper out of here. You can see it's a mess. Excuse me. We'll come back to it. I gotta beat those out. Alright. Just want to show you how this works. So it's got righty tighty lefty loosey on there. Let's see, hold on. I busted my camera doing this, so I got a lens that's messed up. Alright, see? Left. Oh gosh. Anyway, like I said, my camera's lens busted out. Left and right. And then you push down and turn this. So you can move it. And I think I busted the heck out of this thing. Well, you put it in there. Oh, I must have busted them out before. Yeah, I banged them out before. Because I knew I had to do this. And I put them back. I like to put them back. Some people say they don't put them back. I put them back, whatever. And then so basically, I'll have to turn this back. Like that. Okay, I'm making a terrible video, but it's okay. I'm gonna come back and show you all this being done. I don't know. Terrible part. I gotta make sure I got the right brake pads. You know. Oh, they came with clips. Oh, bro, I got extra hardware. You know what? Now I got extra hardware for later. I just put these regular suckers on there. And you know what? I couldn't even tell you which one. I got the book. And I got the instructions here. I couldn't tell you where this little clip wire goes anymore. That's gonna be fun. Alright, let me figure this shit out. And it comes with the glue. Oh, this is pretty good. Alright. Now you see what I gotta do. I gotta take this off so I can get to this rotor. So that's the bus back here. Big old 17s. I got the breaker bar for it. Oh yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Alright. A lot of extra stuff you gotta do to get this off because the stuff, the Carter pins blocking it. So just move with the rush. Can't get that one with this one, so whatever. Most of the time when I buy from Rock Auto, I know it's right, so I don't even be tripping because I order the right thing. It looks this thing. Boom. There's a fat piece right. Oh shit, it's metal to metal. Oh shit, look at that. I didn't even realize it, bro. Damn, son. This how you do your brakes? Listen, my fiance's favorite driver was driving this herself. This is something girls do. Tear the shit up. You're like, it's making a noise. If you wouldn't stop driving so fast, man, drive with her one time. Just drive with your girl, let her drive. Watch how fast she hits them brakes, man. On everything. Jeez, what the hell? Slow down. I don't think I ever got this right. If this is even right. Look at that. Come out of there. I need a new one of these. That's what I need. Look how rusty this shit is. This is inside where ride. Like, man, get the hell out of here. This fucker is old. I need a new one. I should have ordered a new one in the first place. I don't have the damn car where I can just leave it. People have been hating on me for working on the car, so. And then they ain't even like I work on this shit all the time, but hey. I think I need a new one, new bracket. Then I'll have to do the screws and the boots. This sucker ain't coming out, so we'll see. Shit, look at it. What's it fucked up? Whatever. Alright. Back to work.